Hey esteem, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 2, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, India's first toy cluster will be set up in which state? So the answer is option A, Karnataka, and it is being set up in Koppal by Acres Limited. And the chairman of Acres Limited is Arvind Melgiri. So the chairman of Acres Limited is Arvind Melgiri. And we already know the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore and the chief minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, which state has partnered with SIDBI for developing the MSME ecosystem? So the answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, and the chief minister is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, and here we have to note MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises, and SIDBI stands for Small Industrial Development Bank of India. So MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises, and SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. Then moving on to the next question, and here you have to make a note that SIDBI headquarters of Small Industries Development Bank of India is located in Lucknow. So it is located in Lucknow, and the chairman of SIDBI is Mohammad Mustafa. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, CPI for urban non-manual employees is released by which department? So the answer is option B, Central Statistical Organization, and we should also know the Union Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation is Sadananda Gowda. So the Union Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation is Sadananda Gowda, and here CPI stands for Consumer Price Index. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, who has been named to head the US Department of Personnel Management? So the answer is option C, Kiran Ahuja. So the answer is option C, Kiran Ahuja, and she is a Indian American lawyer and a right activist. So Kiran Ahuja is a Indian American lawyer and a right activist. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which insurance provider has launched Active Health Policy, India's first policy to provide 100% premium return? So the answer is option C, Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited, and the chairman of Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, which city will host the 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship 2021? So the answer is option B, Panchkula, and Panchkula is in Haryana. So Panchkula is in Haryana and it will host the 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, over which river will be inaugurated the world's highest railway bridge? So the answer is option A, Chenab. So it is located near Kauri area. So Chenab river is in Kauri area, and as here we talk about railway bridge, it comes under the Ministry of Railways and the Union Minister of Railways is Piyush Goyal. So the Union Railway Minister is Piyush Goyal. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, which country has become the first country to get free COVID-19 vaccines through COVAX scheme? So here the answer is option B, Ghana, and it is located in Africa. So Ghana is located in Africa, and the COVAX scheme is a United Nations backed COVAX initiative, and the aim of COVAX scheme, so it is United Nations backed COVAX initiative, and the aim is to speed up vaccine production and to supply doses for at least 20% of the country's population, to provide at least 20% of the country's population, doses for at least 20% of the country's population. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which country has signed 4 MOUs with Nepal to reconstruct its 25 health posts at a cost of 530 million Nepali rupees? So the answer is option D, India. So India has signed an agreement, 4 MOUs with Nepal to reconstruct its 25 health posts at a cost of 530 million Nepali rupees. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, the Archaeological Survey of India has discovered a Buddhist monastery in which state? So the answer is option D, Jharkhand, and the Buddhist monastery is being discovered in Hazaribagh. So it has been discovered where? It has been discovered in Hazaribagh. And as here archaeological survey comes under the Ministry of Culture, the Union Minister of Culture is Prahlad Singh Patel. Prahlad Singh Patel. So the Union Minister of Culture is Prahlad Singh Patel, and the Director General of Archaeological Survey is Vidyavati, V. Vidyavati. So V. Vidyavati is the Director General of Archaeological Survey. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, who has been appointed as the president of CTO of AU Small Finance Bank? So here the answer is option A, Sharad Goklani. So the answer is option A, Sharad Goklani. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, the World Bank has signed a loan project for quality education in which Indian state? So here the answer is option D, Nagaland, and it is an agreement. So this agreement or this project is being signed by Government of India. So this agreement is being signed by Government of India, Government of Nagaland, Government of Nagaland and the World Bank. And we should also know the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The capital is Kohima. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, the South Regional Office of CCI has been inaugurated by the Finance Minister in which city? So the answer is option C, Chennai. And we already know the Finance Minister. The Union Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Is Nirmala Sitharaman, and here CCI stands for Competition Commission of India, and the chairperson of Competition Commission of India is Ashok Kumar Gupta. So the chairperson of CCI is Ashok Kumar Gupta. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, what is the theme of 16th FICCI Higher Education Summit 2021? So here the answer is option C, Higher Education at 2030 race. And here we have to note FICCI stands for Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So FICCI stands for Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and the president of FICCI is Uday Shankar. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, which bank has signed a corporate agency agreement with the SBI General Insurance to retail its insurance product to the bank customer? So the answer is option B, Indian Overseas Bank. And the chairman of Indian Overseas Bank is Naveen Prakash Sinha. So the chairman is Naveen Prakash Sinha. Naveen Prakash Sinha, and here we also talk about SBI General Insurance. So we should also know the chairman of SBI General Insurance. So the chairman of SBI General Insurance is Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar. So SBI General Insurance chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, which payment bank has got the status of scheduled commercial bank? So here the answer is option A, Finco Payments Bank, and the chairman of Finco Payments Bank is Mahendra Kumar Chauhan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, Asia's biggest cattle park has inaugurated in which Indian state? So here the answer is option D, Tamil Nadu, and it has been started. Asia's biggest cattle park has been inaugurated in Salem district. In Salem district. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, which state has approved a scheme titled EBC Nestam? So the answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh, and EBC Nestam is a scheme in which government will provide rupees 15,000 to each economically backward women among the dominant caste. So it is a program under which government will provide women's 15,000 each to economically backward women among dominant caste. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, who is the author of the book titled Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis? So the answer is option A, Anidya Datta. So the answer is option A, Anidya Datta. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, which state or union territory has launched a mobile app charter for contactless ticketing service for buses? So here the answer is option D, Delhi. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it motivates us a lot. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.